Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have Deal 4 confirmed. Deal 4! If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and we'll just go ahead and jump right in. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers, and here we are. Well, this is day 3. We know that's going on tomorrow. It's been replaced. It replaced the icon wrenches, but here we have it. Deal 4, and we'll do the zoom feature here. 12 days of deals day 4, and it's what we expected. It was on the bottom of Santa's shopping cart. Well, first, we won't skip it. $150 for the Pittsburgh 2.5 ton low profile aluminum racing jack with rapid pump. 2 great deals, $70 off, normally $220. We will price check just to verify. And then we have the Badland 1.5 ton off-road jack with rapid pump and precise descent control, normally $280. That used to be the price of the 3 ton. $50 off, which is pretty good. We'll do the percentage. Well, let's just do the percentage now because we want to know what we're working with. So of course, $70. We'll do the Pittsburgh for $70 off of $220. What are we looking at? 31, almost 32% off, which is really good. 32% off a floor jack is really good. And then I guess a little bit less because it's a little bit more premium of a floor jack. We got $50 off of $280. And that's coming in at 18% off. Actually, that's not all that great. This means let's do that again. Well, let's do 280 times 20% because you can get the 20% off right now. You get it today, 20% off, or tomorrow, 20% off. If you're ITC, you'd save $56 if you bought it yesterday. If you buy it today or tomorrow, technically, if you bought it yesterday. So this one is disappointing. 3.6 rockin'. Why would they do that? Either way, $50 off sounds pretty good. I guess if you're not a HARBRO, you might be misled. But there it is, $56 if you do 20% off right now with your ITC deal. Technically, I guess this is 12/15. So Monday, technically if you miss this, buying this weekend, then it's a good deal, close to 20%. But either way, let's still look at the price history because that's going to guide us. So here we have the Pittsburgh 2.5 ton low profile. There was a deal not too long ago on floor jacks. Here we have 220, matches up. And according to the tracker, it went back down in price recently, back in October to 220, had gone up to 229, but it's been 220 for the past couple of years. Shows the most recent ITC coupon was at 180. Back in February, went down to 169, pretty nice. And then I guess the lowest it's ever been was back in 2021, 140. But those are ages bygone by this point. So outside of that, in the last 3 years, there's a blip here back in October of 2023 down to 174.99. And outside of the unicorn 40% off, this Pittsburgh is pretty much in recent times down to its lowest price. $149.99. Great deal on the Pittsburgh. Now, let's check Badland. Now, unfortunately, that's not even 20% off. And that's throwing the HARBROs off because I can't imagine that they would think that we don't track deals. Here we are at 280. Badland 1.5 ton rapid pump compared to Pro Eagle for mid-sized trucks, Jeeps, SUVs. Get a lift height of up to 28 inches. That's high lift, which is what you want, I guess, for an off-road jack. 280. I don't think this one has changed price too much. Hasn't had much time to do so. But then again, I could be wrong. It says a 17% increase in price. So we have it. Oh, yeah, that's true. It's gone down in price because it came out pretty pricey. It came out at $300 back in May. They quickly lowered the price because they knew that was ridiculous. So it went down $20. 280 back in July. And at one point it was down to 240. This was probably a special sale. 240 back in October. But of course, soon after it went back up to 280. So that's probably some type of flash sale that was going on. But 280 is the price that it's stuck at And as you can see, there's been no deals on this. No deals, no ITC, no super coupons. And this is roughly, technically, the first deal that it's been. So that's probably why they're doing the $50 off, but bad timing for the $50 off, because even though it's the lowest price it's been specifically as a floor jack, 20% off would get you $56 off. And that's a bitter pill to swallow, but still, I mean, it's close. At least you'll have time this weekend if you want to get it for $56 off. And if you don't pull the trigger on it this weekend, you'll have a chance to pull the trigger on it the 15th. So really a one-day extension and just a few dollars more expensive. But overall, still a good deal on a jack that hasn't been on sale too much, and there haven't been any deals. But let me know your thoughts, of course, and then I won't take too much of your time. I'll wrap it up, as all of you should be doing. 35% off all titanium and Vulcan welding helmets starting tomorrow. 40% off all welding wires, electrodes, rods, and tips. Also tomorrow, if you need to stock up, don't forget to check out the clearance sections, because those open box prices, even though sometimes they say it doesn't combine, sometimes they do. I see pictures of it on Reddit all the time. Of course, if you haven't already gotten it today, $25 is a steal of a deal. The HARBROs have come in clutch again today. Very few stacking. So I would say does not stack, but still a great deal at $25. Pick up your meme tool. Haven't heard too much on this one. Any luck with stacking on this? $100 is a good deal. $80 would be a killer deal. And then, of course, your 15% off any item and 20% off any item. But I'll leave it at that. Let me know your thoughts on day 4. And as always, good luck out there. Happy shopping, happy Harbor freighting. As soon as I have some more deals, wait, don't forget to subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let's get to 20,000. We're almost there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.